Oh, Mama Cow, it's been a while without thinking of you, Macau, but the thought makes me smile. Oh, Mama Cow, I really wanna see you, Macau. Can you show me, Macau? Oh, Mama Cow, it's been a while. The thought makes me smile. Oh, Mama Cow. Oh, Mama Cow, it's been a while. The thought makes me smile. Oh, my Mama Cow. Oh, Mama Cow.
Okay, we're on this little street in Taipa, and it's just really crowded, so we're gonna walk through it. We're also kind of checking out some of the architecture stuff around here, so I'll show you what it's all about, and then we're gonna go all the way down this street right here. So a little slice of Taipa village. Okay, Macau, Ho Lin Vong Street. So this one is named after a prominent businessman of the 19th and 20th century, and it's right in Taipa village, so you've been watching it in the street exactly where it's at. And the music is one that I created with lyrics, and I put it into AI, so the lyrics are up above as well. And let's just get right into the walk and talk, and shout out to the guy from Nepal who showed me his restaurant, and I'll definitely come by there again and say hello again with the camera. So another street of Taipa village. Let's check it out. Walk and talk time. Okay, let's go back a little bit. Get the long lines. And then this goes into Taipa village, and you can actually see a casino straight down that way. So this is this whole little Taipa village area. And it goes down that way as well. And then there's some construction. And I wanted to share this particular building because it's kind of cool looking. And it has some nice architecture. And we're gonna come through here. Got lots of people. This one is Portuguese cuisine right here. A little bit of a very popular. And we got some more here. I think this one is pork chop bun. Okay, Portuguese tart. Okay, so this one looks like it's kind of like a...
Hello sir, what can I help you?
Doing well.
Yeah,
This
we
is
have-
yours?
There is my both shop.
Oh, nice.
I am the staff.
Oh, okay.
We have the staff. We have pork chop bun.
Pork chop bun?
If you buy pork chop bun, you can get chicken soup with.
Oh, okay. Spicy?
Yeah, it's not spicy, so it's delicious. It's good. We have the pepper cake also. This is called pepper cake.
Oh, okay.
You see, this is famous in Taiwan.
Oh, okay. This
It's
is
called pepper cake. It's famous in Taiwan.
Okay.
And this is beef. This is pork and egg tart.
Oh, okay. How about this one?
Yeah, it's same, sir. It's pepper cake.
Oh, that's inside.
That is the pizza, yeah.
And that's-
inside have the meat.
Okay, usually beef or pork?
Yeah, we have beef and pork, both we have.
Oh, okay. That's good.
You want to try?
I ate, but I'm gonna film the street and put it on YouTube.
Okay, okay.
So that'll be in YouTube, and
Thank you.
yeah, I'm gonna come back and eat it
Okay,
as
thank
well.
you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
It's delicious, sir.
Yeah.
You must try.
It
You
looks
must
it's
try.
popular.
Sir. It's delicious, yeah. It's
Yes.
famous in Taiwan.
Oh, okay.
Okay, thank you, sir. Where are you from?
American.
Oh, I am from Nepal.
Nepal.
You know Mountain Everest?
Yeah, I've been to Nepal. I went to Kathmandu and Pokhara.
Yeah, my hometown is Kathmandu.
Oh, okay, yeah. I went to Annapurna Base Camp too.
Oh,
I
it's
hiked up
nice,
to the...
nice, so nice.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, sir. Have a
Thank
nice
you.
day. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. And this is another shop as well, or?
Different shop, not same
Oh,
post.
okay.
They are different posts.
Oh, okay. Yeah, sounds good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Have a nice day, sir.
You too.
Thank you.
So pretty cool. So let's see what else is on. So we have that shop which has Taiwan.
What is your YouTube channel, sir? So I can
Sidetracked.
sidetrack.
Yeah.
There's so many.
Actually, I just kind of missed this artwork as well. This is where the Taiwan shop is at, and the Portuguese one. And we also have some artwork as well.
Hello.
Got a hot pot restaurant as well.
I do Papa some places.
More artwork. And then this is kind of popular too, so a lot of people will film these signs right here. Actually, that looks like that would be a really amazing thumbnail if I had somebody walking in front of it right now. But yeah, actually these are kind of popping up throughout China and Macau as well, where they're starting to put these shots, you know, because they're really photogenic, especially for Instagram or anything like that. So, and then I think right over here is like an egg tart place, so you can see people are getting that there. I think that's his restaurant right there. So this has kind of come in. This is kind of the food street. They call it Kunya Gai. Let's just walk down briefly. So this one is Hua du Kunya. We'll just keep on going. And you can see the Kunya sign, and then you can see all the people down our street, and more down that way. I'm gonna walk in a little bit. And I think that this street actually changes, but I'm gonna just keep the camera going. But it goes into a plaza. But this type of village has lots of little alleys, and so this one is a plaza. Let me. I'll try to give you some context. So that one is Maya de Magalhães, which I looked into once, and his history goes back 99 years. So 99 years ago, he was a governor for 1 year. And so I did another song. I made a song where I labeled it with this name. That's really popular too. So I think what I'm gonna do is we're just gonna walk over here, see the popularity of this place. Then we need to identify our street name. And this street just kind of keeps meandering down into more cool stuff everywhere. And now it turns into Virtuti Street. So we started way down that way. Kind of a cool building, nice windows. So now we're on Virtuti Street. This is a small, tiny little street, but it's actually kind of cool. So we got this nice Pedesquator Portuguese restaurant. It opens up into some nice artwork, and you can keep on walking all the way down as well. But I feel like I should probably come to an ending because our street kind of blended into some other ones. And now we're in this type of village area, the main street here. So I'm gonna come to an ending up here. Then we'll end our video. But recently I also filmed this wall too for 2 days. And on that note, we're gonna end it. Okay. So we basically started over that way, and I guess we could, maybe we'll, you know what, I'm just gonna give you a full taste of the whole area. So we're gonna walk back to our target street, and which is that little alley. But you're getting a taste that there's a lot more than just that alley, but I do try to focus on the streets. We got Dumbo there. That yellow one is like a market, like a red market. So that was kind of our street right there. This, oh, it's actually Sanchez Miranda. So it's actually as we're not on the same street, but we'll walk to it. That looks really popular too. Okay, so you're getting a taste for. Okay. I guess I should probably come to an end here, but let's just go a little bit further. Okay, so now we're back at this food street. And then that's where we were started our video, was right over here. Hello. And then this is our target street right here. And we got the Macau sign. So we'll end it right there.